Hey, what's up, Charlie? Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition and really bringing in that quality traffic as well. To your website and really close down some leads too. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So I've been browsing over your site, over your pages, and really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, having that much more content, you can layer in those keywords, and those keywords are how you're actually being found as well. Even these images right back here, this is all content back here. You got bridge, HVAC, heating and air service. I would just do your name and then just do specifically with a keyword. That's going to help with your rankings even more. And I noticed some of them were the same, and some of them just have like a download as well. So yeah, like download one. Yeah, switch out all these little images. That'll just help with your rankings even more. But anyway, if I go inside of Google here and type in air conditioning service, Ashburn, you can do any location really. It doesn't really matter. But kind of give you an example here. When you do those keywords in here, and this is what you're going to see. You got ads here at the very top. These old school ads became really spammy, so a lot of people have been going away with those. So Google came up with these right here, these Google guarantees, to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. They do get pretty pricey at the end of the month. A lot of people came out with ad blockers. I don't know if you're running ads, but I'll see in here just a little, in a minute. But a lot of ads aren't even going through because of those ad blockers. And underneath the ads, we have this little map here. Now, really, to get the rankings here in this little section is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we want to do is come in and research your top competitors here, and find out all the citations that they have, come in and get those same ones, and obviously we want to outrank them, so we want to maybe 50 or even 100 times their citations, so when Google comes by and does their algorithms, they have no reason but to put you in the top just because we outrank them. Underneath this map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. This right here, this is going to be dealing with making sure you have all that authoric content on your website, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power to it as well. And it has like a huge ordeal to do with trust as well. So if you do work for like a Starbucks, it's not going to be as really dominating or authoric as something that another company in the HVAC business or something, So kind of give you an example here. If I take your URL here and put it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You started this thing back in 2018 or so. There's been your journey. This is the last 3 months of your site. You got 7 referring domains, which is pushing back 733 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had almost 900 backlinks there, but some of them have they come and go pretty quick. But you got your keywords here. You got 243 keywords you're being found for, and you got 65 clicks on average to your website. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads. But I don't know if you're doing any TV, radio, commercials, things like that. I know those get pretty pricey as well. But coming in and seeing where those 65 clicks are actually coming from, come inside the keywords here. So these are the keywords. This is how your website's being found. This is the amount of volume for each keyword, then also your position, and also the traffic that you're getting as well. So kind of giving you an example here, heater noises. You got a lot of words that you're being found for, but I'm looking for those buyer's intent keywords, like air conditioning, Woodbridge, VA. There's 100 clicks every month. Your 11th position, you're only getting 2 clicks a month out of the 100 clicks there. So really, by doing a lot more content, backlinking, citations, really will help you draw this position from 11, in those higher rankings, so that way you can actually get more volume. Really that quality work that you're looking for as well. So HVAC, that's the HVAC news. It's not really going to give you any work. just coming through and trying to find more keywords. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Walker Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm going to stick them inside of Ahrefs. So here's their keywords. This is one of their location pages for the Woodbridge, VA area. So kind of give you an example, we got air conditioning Woodbridge, VA, air conditioning service Woodbridge, VA. Each have 100 clicks on average every month. So really making sure you're in a good position so you can get that traffic. You know, they got 10 clicks out of the 100, 10% even on the 5th position, which isn't bad. You know, even 10% is not bad, but really I think you could do a lot better as well. So, you know, got AC service Woodbridge, VA, another 70 clicks. Air conditioning repair Woodbridge, VA, another 100 clicks. HVAC in Woodbridge, VA, another 70 clicks. They got their name there. Heating repair Woodbridge, VA, another 40 clicks. So coming in and finding all these keywords and also making sure you're actually in a good position so you're actually bringing in that quality traffic. You'll see your numbers go up and your workload go up as well coming from that. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan to help you get there. Feel free to reach back out to me. That or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself. If you want to give me a review on how I did in this video, that'd be cool too. Thanks. Have a good day.